With its mix of flagship imaging and exceptional portability, the DJI Mavic series has never stopped empowering creators. Now, it's time for another bold leap forward. Introducing Mavic 3 Pro and Mavic 3 Pro Cine. Pro and Pro Cine both feature 3 cameras for ultra-dynamic imaging. It starts with a 4/3 CMOS Hasselblad camera for outstanding image quality and color science.
对于风光拍摄而言，好风景往往稍纵即逝。4 CMOS 哈苏相机在大光比环境下可以记录更多光影信息，再结合哈苏自然色彩解决方案，直出的素材的颜色也能像人眼所见一样真实细腻。
The upgraded 166mm telecamera offers 7 times optical zoom and a wider f3.4 aperture. It provides higher resolution and can shoot 4K 60 FPS video.
Having the tele lens is truly game-changing for me because I think, especially while shooting wildlife, you want to try to capture the most authentic moments. So being able to film from a safe distance is really an amazing feature.
The third camera is a new 70mm medium tele. Authentic imaging has the power to convey emotion, to inspire, and to freeze moments in time. Mavic 3 Pro delivers endless ways to ignite the sparks of creativity.
So having 3 lenses built into the DJI Mavic 3 Pro allows me to get different angles and different shots that I didn't really think were possible before.
From the image quality to the insane variety of shots that you can get, this drone really is a dream for visual storytellers.
有了 Mavic 3 Pro， 我可以灵活使用3个焦段，尝试不同的构图，极大地提升了风光摄影的创作效率。
With its innovative triple camera system, Mavic 3 Pro ushers in a new era of imaging and storytelling possibilities, allowing you to keep inspiration in focus.
When you need an all-in-one camera drone with cutting-edge performance, but every gram of weight counts. That's the perfect time for Mini 4 Pro. A mighty powerful camera using a new image processing platform that captures details in challenging lighting conditions. Slow-mo is now in crisp 4K. Step up your social media game with vertical shots that make use of every pixel. And shoot night shots that shine with upgraded low-light performance. 10-bit unleashes vibrant, lifelike colors. And with extended battery life, you'll be ready when the moment comes. The most stable video transmission we've ever had on Mini means staying connected further than ever before. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing on a DJI Mini drone means safety in all directions for the very first time, so you can focus on capturing the perfect shot with peace of mind. Save a flight path to repeat shots with ease. Jump into action and let Mini 4 Pro catch your best angles. With Active Track 360 degrees, tracking movements is as dynamic and simple as painting a path with your finger. Relax and let Mini 4 Pro's new AR route mapping be your advanced visual guide on the return flight. Share your incredible experiences with the world. It's time to take Mini to the max.
I'm your new aerial photography partner. Brighter and smarter. Take me with you and let's start our adventure. With Dynamic Track 2.1, I can follow you anywhere you go. And with millisecond autofocus, capture your shots with instant clarity. A 1-inch CMOS sensor and 6K camera allow me to deliver crisp and vibrant images. And Autel Skylink, we can explore anywhere you want.
Hi, I'm Evo Lite. Equipped with a 4-axis gimbal, I can shoot lossless vertical videos and help you master cinematic shots with just one click. Boasting 50 million pixels and a RYYB color filter array, I will capture every detail you want and upload your images wirelessly in seconds, so you can spend more time sharing, less time waiting. With 40 minutes of battery life and all-new ultra-wide-angle obstacle avoidance system. Fly further, faster, and safer. Evo Lite to Evo Lite Plus. New perspectives, new possibilities.
It's a new age for EXO and a new era for drones. Introducing the BlackHawk 2 series. BlackHawk 2 Pro features unmatched imaging performance, capturing cine-grade 200 megabits per second 4K H-log video. Equipped with a stunning 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, it shoots 48 megapixel stills, allowing you to do this. With perfect clarity, tones, and excellent low-light performance. Unprecedented range, battery, and power opens up new possibilities on what you can accomplish with the drone. Explore further with a 6-mile transmission range and never miss a shot with a 35-minute battery life. From the job site to the dream vacation, BlackHawk 2's wind resistance can withstand gusts up to 30 miles per hour, allowing you to fly with confidence anywhere. BlackHawk 2 is one of the safest, smartest drones you can fly. Omnidirectional obstacle avoidance both detects and avoids collisions, allowing you to navigate complex terrain with a click of a button, or let it fly for you. With EXO BlackHawk 2, your perfect shots came installed. Follow moving subjects, fly waypoint paths, or perform cinematic shots without ever touching the controller. And when you're done, have it return home automatically, all while safely storing your data in US-based servers. With its stunning camera performance, cutting-edge flight technology, and intelligent safety features, BlackHawk 2 Pro is everything you asked for and a whole lot more. There's a new Hawk in town, and this one came to play. Meet BlackHawk 2, the next level everything.